Hello, welcome to the 4473 Seller Video 2, processing page 2 of the 4473. Question 18, you do not need to answer at this time because it'll be automatically answered based off the firearms that you place on the 4473. If you are at a qualifying event, you can insert the information here. If it's a new event, you can click New. So you just type in the event name, which will be printed on the 4473. And the event description is what's in the drop down, and this is helpful if the same promoter has multiple venues. Okay, street address. And the zip code. When you put in the zip code, it'll fill in the city and the state. If there's multiple cities in that zip code, you get it in the drop down. This is very helpful because if you have a multiple handgun or a multiple rifle report, this information will be put onto the report for you. So I'm going to click OK, and then it fills it in. All right, come down to the ID type, or the state gets filled in automatically based off of the address that the person put in the form. You use the drop down. Again, you can do the new to add a new identification type. In this type, the ID type is going to be a ID type is what's going to show in the drop down. The ID description be put on the 4473 form, and whether it requires a NICS check or not. The Texas Concealed Handgun License does not require a NICS check, so I'm going to say no. Click OK. Then I can put in the identification number and the expiration date. If I need to put any alternate documentation, I can specify it here. Also, your aliens on the 20C, you can specify that information. 21A through 21F, you cannot put anything in because that has to be handwritten. And if you notice, because we didn't require a NICS check on that ID type, it transposed all that information down here. I'm going to go ahead and change the ID type to just a driver's license and change the number and the expiration date. All right. And if we go down now and take a look, this has been cleared out. And I did that because I want to show you later on in another video the eCheck system. So thank you for your time, and proceed to video 3.